Hello everyone, welcome to the March My Monthly Hero release. Let's take a look at everything that's included in the My Monthly Hero kit. We're going to start out with the Milk Carton Die Set. This is such a sweet and cute set and essential with this kit. It creates this milk carton, and actually two ways you can do it. You can have it with the top open or closed. There's even a little nozzle. And strawberry and sentiment, super cute die set and works so well with the other products in the kit. You can see this awesome card here where the carton is open and even some milk kind of splashing out. And then you have this fun card here with these strawberries, definitely going for that fun, bright strawberry milk kind of look. And I do want to point out this card, you can see a shortened carton. I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a second. So here you can see the milk carton is cut out, and real quick I just want to show you the different kind of tops options. Again, that's the carton that's open, here's the one that's closed, and there is that little nozzle that you can put on there if you choose. And also the die set has a sentiment, which is so cool. You have You Moo You, which is super cute. Now I'm going to show you how to do that partial die cutting technique to create a shorter, let me grab it here, a shorter milk carton. So you're just going to need the milk carton die from the set, and we're going to do the simple partial die cutting technique. So I'm going to place my die onto my cardstock, and then the key is to place your plate only about, let's get it here. You only want to cut a portion of that die. So I'm going to cut about halfway down to create a smaller carton. So like that. See, notice again, the plate is not completely covering the die, so we get a partial cut. Now I'll run it through. And you can see the carton is partially cut out. Now all I have to do is take the die, line it up, and now I'm going to do another partial cut. So I've locked it into where I cut previously, and now I'm just going to cut the bottom portion. And again, you want to do a partial cut, because if you cut all the way through, you'll end up with two pieces, but doing a partial cut, you'll end up with your carton still all one piece. So again, not completely covering that die with my top plate, but over the lower half this time, so we cut out that bottom portion. And here we go. There is our smaller milk carton. Super cute. Also included in the My Monthly Hero kit is this awesome Stamp Cut. This is the You Are Legen-Dairy Stamp Cut, full of wonderful milk kind of puns. I love this one. It's your birthday. Milk it. So cute. And you have even the little additional images that you can use to decorate your milk carton. You have this awesome cow here, some stripes that you could use on the side of the milk carton. You can even use this in the background. And of course, some cow patterns. And here you can see a card, as well as this card that you saw at the very beginning, both using that Stamp Cut to decorate the carton and just add their sentiment right there on that die cut. Next up, we have the Holy Cow layering stencil. This is an awesome pattern stencil here. It's a single layer, so really easy to use, and it's nice and large. It's 6 by 6, so you can use it on vertical or on horizontal or landscape or profile style cards. Really awesome. Looks beautiful in black and white, of course, for that classic kind of cow print. This would be even great outside of this collection. You can use this all on its own. It's really an essential pattern, I think, to have in your collection. And you can use it instead of just for backgrounds. You can use for a little decorative border. You can, of course, let me grab our original card here. You can even do some dry embossing. Let's see if I can get the camera to pick it up so it has some texture here on that panel where the stencil was dry embossed. There we go. So that's an awesome way to add a little bit of texture and interest to the background as well, besides just ink blending. And of course, this is stencil. You can use your pastes, your sprays. You're going to have a lot of fun with this stencil. And of course, last but not least, we have a wonderful pack of color wheel cardstocks included in this My Monthly Hero kit. Let's open this up and see what's inside. You get 10 half sheets, so 8.5 by 5.5 of color wheel cardstock, some beautiful shades that work really well with the rest of the products in this kit. Now let's take a look at everything that's included in the March Superhero Kit. Starting off strong with this awesome Milk and Cookies die set. I love this set so much. It's so cute. As you can see here, you get dies to create a glass of milk. And of course, it doesn't have to just be regular white milk. You can have chocolate milk or strawberry milk as well, which is so fun. And another detail I love here is there's a little die that creates almost this kind of like foam layer on the milk, which is so cute. I love that little texture. And of course, there's cookies. We have a sandwich cookie and a chocolate chip cookie that are so cute, and you can do lots of different things with them, which I'll show you in another card here. But first off, we have this wonderful card by Kelly. You can see her chocolate chip cookies here look so good. I want to take a bite out of them myself. And I love the kind of call out here to the Holy Cow stencil from the card kit or the My Monthly Hero kit. It just makes such a beautiful kind of tablecloth and pattern here. Such a cute card. And also her cup is cut out of vellum, which I think is really clever and such a fun way to do glass. Here on this card, you can see I've got 3 of those sandwich cookies. So fun. Love the straw too. Such a great pop of color combined with one of the sentiments that you'll see later on. Or actually, this is part of the My Monthly Hero as well. Such a cute set. And then Kelly went overboard and created an awesome shaker card. Love the focal point being the milk and sandwich cookies. Such a cute design. And of course, last but not least, we have this awesome card by Kelly where you can see she cut out these sandwich cookies out of different colored cardstocks, and it actually even looks like macaroons, which I think is such a fun and playful way to use that die set as well. Now our next product in the Superhero Kit is the Spilled Milk Stamp Cut. So this is an awesome, another kind of sentiment milk themed kit. I love how you get a bunch more of these sentiments that work with that milk carton die from the My Monthly Hero kit. You even have this full cow, some more of the cow print pattern that you can stamp on your cartons or in your backgrounds. I love that. And of course, because this is a Stampin' Cut, you have the coordinating dies here on the back, dies that will cut out all of those sentiments and images included in the stamp set. And this is so fun to decorate your cartons with. I love that sweet little cow. He's so cute. Adorable, and a bunch of different themes. We have Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, No Use Crying Over Spilt Milk. So lots of fun, different occasions you can use this stamp set for. And here's another sweet card that Kelly created with that, just focusing on the cow from that set. And next we have the Layering Stencil. This is the Milk Carton Layering Stencil, and this works beautifully all on its own, but it can also be used with the Milk Carton die from the My Monthly Hero kit. It is a 4-piece stencil, but a lot of these stencil layers or these stencils can be used all on their own. You could just use one to decorate. Let me see, grab one of those cards I had before. To decorate and add some designs to your milk cartons. This is a great way to add some more shading, some more interest. Very easy to do, but again, it can be used all on its own like you see here. This is all 4 of those stencils used together to ink blend a milk carton. You can even use it on the die cut milk carton to add designs like that as well. And then we have a couple more samples here. Here's another card where it's used just a little bit to add some more patterns and designs to the milk carton. And here Kelly ink blended a whole milk carton using that stencil, which is just so pretty and adds so much interest to that carton. And that wraps up our closer look at the March Superhero and the March My Monthly Hero. Both these kits are available now, so head over to heroarts.com to pick up yours today.